Hey guys, does Storm look comfortable? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Brillons. That's Xavier's line, Rash Dash's line, but does Storm look comfortable on my lap? It's this thing. Storm is a Havanese Cuban lap dog, weighs about 20 pounds, and he loves to be on my lap. Right, Storm? I think he's gonna fall asleep, guys. He was trying to get comfortable. Hopefully you had a wonderful day and you're chilling. Not like a villain, but you're chilling, like Storm is right now. Look at him. He's enjoying this. Storm, you got anything to say? Say hi. Hi. All right, bye-bye.